Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an octopus block. Obviously already knowing how to do an octopus would be really helpful. Link in the description below. So octopus block looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's break it down. Probably best if I come over to this side for the first time through. We go back to 2 hands. It starts like a standard octopus. We're going to go ladies in front first. So we're bringing the ladies forwards, left hand up to the right hand side. Guys walking across behind, slide the hand and end in 2. Second one, still like a normal octopus. Right hand up, guys through in front this time, ladies across behind and end in 2. This is where things change. We start to do ladies in front for the second time. We don't let go with the right hand. We come in behind. In fact, guys, we're intentionally bringing the lady to a stop. Springy, so we're kind of bringing the lady elastically to a stop so we can bounce that energy straight back to undo what we just did. Releasing with the right, standard return, and we're done. Let's break it down with numbers from the other side. So it goes 2 hands on 1, lady in front 2, catching 3, guy in front 4, catching 5, block 6, back 7, return 8, and back 1. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, an octopus block. We go a back, a ladies through, then the men, and a block, look, return, and back. And that's that. Sweet and simple. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive move. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.